Xmas is you. I want your heart, your love, your trust. Fiend for your kiss, your hug, your touch. Give you my heart in exchange for yours. I broke through your walls. You know I got flaws, but so does everybody. I ain't just anybody.
Rose is over there, and I am over here. It's supposed to be. Oh, I missed it. Rose wanted to show off, but he dropped the eggs on the floor. Just kidding.
So, give me the bad news.
It's the bad news.
How is it? How is this outfit acceptable? Shoes,
Good.
3 sizes too big. Cheetah print socks.
Good.
The pants match the undershirt.
Okay. Great.
But where does the orange come from?
What? That's the thing you don't like about this?
Yeah.
And look who stole my look.
It just looks a little bit better on me now. So it's a little too hot to wear the outfit. You look gorgeous like this. Strike a pose. Swap, where all things swap-tastic happen. You can buy something worth $1 million for $1. Today I'm going to get everything for $10.
That's a $20 bill.
Oh my God, you smell the mangoes? Guys, this is the best place on earth, right here. Earlier, Tracy said I couldn't get everything I needed. So look, everything plus mangoes has cost me $12. So technically I bought everything for $10 minus cilantro. So I'm winning.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home.
My sole responsibility right now is to remember what car I'm following. We may own this car,
But
I may forget. We gotta take care of
a little business.
a little business, a little Turo stuff maybe. We'll see with the other car, and just do, and then go Dunkin' Donuts, because you know I'm gonna try to get a decaf coffee, maybe get a regular coffee, cry about it later, that type of situation. I've just been watching some Vlogmas YouTube videos and doing a little skincare, skin love, and now I'm gonna probably make coffee, see if my coffee's still warm that I made this morning, drink that, and I'm going to, I've already sprayed this on my face like 4 times since I got to the hotel room, but it's genuinely that's Sika stuff that I just got in the mail yesterday, and I'm trying out. Feels so refreshing. It stops my face from feeling itchy and gross. I'm just turning on some lights. Does anyone else hate how dark hotel rooms are? Like, you literally have to turn on every single light to get some brightness. I literally have moisturizer on my nose. Currently uploading the vlog from one computer, editing the vlog from yesterday on this computer. So I'm deciding if I should nap for an hour or just jump right into the edit. Like, I'm excited to edit, but at the same time, it's like, I'm so tired. This Target chickpea masala wait, why do I keep saying chickpea masala? Is it? Oh yeah, it is, okay. Is not as good as the one you can get from the Dollar Tree, because this one, microwave it on high for 1 minute, and it exploded in the microwave. The Dollar Tree one never did that. I just want to comment that, you know, if you're wondering which one you should get, be careful with this one in the microwave. Also, actually, at my house, I don't own a microwave, so I don't use it in the microwave, so I might be lying.
Christmas Day this year, I've got a plan, it's gonna be so lovely. On Christmas Day, my dear.
So, because of me, we have to watch a movie upside down, kind of. Eye problems.
I'm gonna give my love a golden ring. On Christmas Day, my dear. On Christmas Day this year. On Christmas Day this year. On Christmas Day.
I just like an hour and a half, 2 hours, just like decompressing, taking a bath, showering, doing my skincare, eating. So I feel good. I think I'm gonna do my moment of gratefulness, which is like a little video, and then like writing down some thoughts, and then I'll see how I feel.
Today, we're making my phone break. We're making 2 guacamoles. Somebody out there will tell us whose guacamole is better. Hopefully they pick mine. Traces always bites.
But really, we're just gonna taste both, and then whoever's both like, that's the winner. So.
And it's hard to cheat because I'm too honest. So far, Tracer is
Onion,
up.
tomato, onion, avocado, add cilantro, salt and pepper. You know how that goes. We making guac today. Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. I got chips, but I don't need salsa. Give me guacamole, please. Guacamole. I got chips, no, I don't need salsa. I don't even need cheese.
But I gotta be rapping a lot to be calm. Shots to be saying I'm how to be dropping these bars. I do it off top to be like an invite, ain't nothing for free. Ooh yeah. I see you all up in my section. Thank you to the haters, hope you ain't got no depression. They gon' see me winning, hella angry, they be texting. I still got some love for you, why you be hating me? Mobbing in the street, Lamborghini energy while whipping something cheap. Club Yokai on the beat. Really, I'm just getting started, baby. You gon' have to see. Fashion hella chic, looking like I just came out of New York Fashion Week. Who gon' rock with me? KAB the BSM, man, you gon' really see.
You better talk nice to me. I'm in your head. I invest. That's a short-term fee. Got it locked. I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap. Dap you up, then I leave. Yeah. You better talk nice to me. I'm in your head. I invest. That's a short-term fee. Got it locked. I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap. Dap you up, then I leave. Yeah.
Onion, tomato, onion, avocado, add cilantro, salt and pepper. You know how that goes. We making guac today. Guacamole, guacamole. I got chips, but I don't need salsa. Give me guacamole, please. Guacamole. I got chips, no, I don't need salsa. I don't even need cheese.
This is a bird's eye view. Tracy went for more of a fine guac. I went for more of a chunky guac.
And that's how it happened. Also, this is a little tasting menu to see whose is better, even though we already decided Rose's is better.
I finally won one. Woo!
Hello. So
It is currently 8 p.m. and this is why I try my best never to take naps. I feel like I needed it because I'm freezing, so I hope this is okay. But so anyways, I was raising the temperature because it is freezing in here. But yeah, I completely fell asleep from the 2:30 that I laid in bed until maybe like 7, and then I got up, brushed my teeth, washed my dishes, repacked, and I'm just finishing up my little mindfulness moment, and then I'm gonna call it a night. So I actually didn't get anything done today. I slept the whole day, but I feel like I needed it. I've been going back and forth a lot, and like New York to Florida, and I was just so exhausted. Early morning reports when I'm not going to sleep super early at night, just really, even when I am, I feel like they always take a toll on me. So hey guys, I apologize if the vlog wasn't very Christmassy today or the last couple of days. Had a pretty chill day inside again, but at least we got some good food, we got out of the house a little bit, and we did watch a Christmas movie, so we're on trend a little bit. I'm about to go in and tape on Rose's eye patch so he can go to sleep. I know, very glamorous. If you could, since you've already made it to the end of this video, if you're at this point, you clearly must have liked something you've seen or hated it. Go ahead, like down below. If you hated it and you want to dislike, I don't care. Do that. Pick one, choose it, hit it down below. Comment something. Subscribe if you haven't already. And go ahead, if you made it this far, check out one of these videos because I promise you, they're probably better than the one you're currently watching. Bye guys!